Children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, we are going to learn our first keyboard or piano lesson. In today's class, we are going to learn our first keyboard or piano lesson. Remember, there are 2 and 3 black keys in every piano. Can you see it? At the left side of each 2 black keys, there is always C. This is C, another C, another C, and another C. Our focus today is on the middle C. Our focus today is on the middle C. We are going to take our first exercise, which is right hand only. We are going to take our first exercise, which is right hand only. Also, you can learn piano in 4 different ways, which we are going to use interchangeably. Number 1, we can learn piano by alphabets. Number 2, we can learn piano using Tony Soffer's techniques. Number 3, we can learn piano using fingering numbers. And lastly, which is number 4, we can learn piano using musical notes. Each finger has a number. Each finger has a number. Thumb takes number 1. The index finger takes number 2. The middle finger takes number 3. The ring finger takes number 4. And the pinky finger takes number 5. Let us take the first 3 fingers. Let us take the first 3 fingers for the first 3 white keys associated with the 2 black keys. Children, can we play now? C, D, E. 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi. So children, that is for the right hand. Can we try the left hand with the same finger pattern? Now, C, D, E. 5, 4, 3. Do, re, mi. Children, did you have fun playing the piano? Children, did you have fun playing the piano? Now, if you couldn't do it perfectly, no problem. Just go back and try it again until you feel comfortable, and try it as many times as you can. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload multiple music videos and musical skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from theory of music for kids, on how to read, write, sing, and play musical instruments basic for children, such as recorder, piano, guitar, violin, etc. Also, word-ranking nursery rhymes with tonic surfers, singing lesson, and a lot more in different genres of music. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.